found this cool little restaurant as I was walking. I got some beer. It just said beer, so I don't really know what it is. Maybe somebody in the comment section can tell me what the beer actually is. It's this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. See how it tastes. As you know, I'm a beer person, so it's actually pretty good. I like it. I like drinking different types of beers from different types of countries. So right now I'm in Georgia, in the capital city of Tbilisi. I might be saying it wrong, but the beer is a little tasty, a little soft, but you can kind of feel the hops. I think it's like a lager. All right, I'm gonna wait for the food and we'll see how it tastes. I forgot my tripod, so I know the angle is very weird. Pretty good. It's like if it was a pizza. With cheese in it. So it's like 2 loaves of bread and cheese in the middle. It's pretty good. Okay, so I just ate at that Georgian restaurant. I showed a little bit of it, so that way you have an idea of what it looks like if you want to come over to eat at there. The food that I ate, it felt more like if I was eating like an appetizer. It wasn't really much of a meal. I mean, it was good. The cheese was amazing inside of it, though. Very delicious. But I don't know why I was thinking I was going to eat meat or something, because I just asked the server to give me something local or something in Georgian traditional, and that's what he gave me. I liked it though, at least. It was different. It looked like a pizza. It did not taste like a pizza. It tasted much better. I mean, just the ingredients in it was amazing. Anyway, I'm gonna rate that place on the Richter scale a 3.5 out of 5. Now, the reason why I rated like that, it's because even though the food was good, the service was okay, location was okay, and the place was okay. But if you want to try it, go ahead. I wish I would have tried some more stuff, but I tried to order something else, but he told me at the moment they didn't have it. Anyway, don't forget. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like these here on The Richter Show.
Shout out to the host of the Richter. This the Richter Show, the Richter Show.